Hi guys, today I will show you how to put indicators on the chart. And when you start it, I'm doing now virtual account. Today I will do trading. Then let's start it. First you can put 2 minutes indication, 2-minute chart. The indicators which I will use is stochastic oscillator. We'll put them on the 30. Strike with 2 and press OK. Now you have your graph in here on the bottom and show you more or less which direction you should go with trend, for example. Now to see bigger picture, you have screen in here. You can see support, resistance. Now another one, simple moving average. We need them both, two of them. One around the 50, 51. There you go. And second one around the 10, 11. Oh, okay. Change color. Say a little bit more. Then your indicators are ready. And now what we need to do still is look, for example, on bigger picture. Okay, that's the top. This is our resistance. And where properly should be our support. Okay, the lowest one. Always start with the top and the bottom. Yep. Now the middle lines. Another one will be in here. And in here. If nobody know why, because in here it's first that one was coming back. In here it didn't break and go down. And in here, that was the moment which that was both break. And we're looking for a new one. But that is still useful for us for later. There you go. Your graph is ready. You have 2 minutes, stochastic lines, support and resistance. In the next video I will show you how to use properly technique. This one is only how to set up. Thank you.